Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Proton X50 and your phone so Waze can run reliably. First, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. This lets phone audio and navigation share with the car. Once done, install Waze and sign in so your favorites and routes sync. Make sure to grant location, microphone, and background app permissions. Otherwise, navigation updates or voice directions will stop. Also check battery optimizations and set the phone to Now you connect the phone to the X50 and route Waze into the car system. Pair via Bluetooth and select media and phone audio so directions play through the speakers. If your X50 supports Android Auto or screen mirroring, launch it. This gives touch control and maps on the dash. Once connected, open Waze and set its audio to play through the car. This prevents split audio or muted prompts. Finally, test a short route to confirm voice, map, and touch controls all respond. With everything connected, enter your destination and pick a route. Waze updates in real time for traffic and hazards. While driving, adjust volume and reroute preferences. Make sure map orientation and voice level match your needs. If Waze lags, close background apps and enable high-accuracy GPS on the phone. If audio is missing, verify Bluetooth is set to media, reopen Waze, and ensure microphone/location permissions remain granted. If problems persist, reboot phone and car head unit and try the connection again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.